Hello, back again. Today we're gonna um do a pistachio dome cake. So you can do this pistachio cake. I have several pistachio cake right here. Different types. I decorate them a little bit more different, as you can see. So first, you can basically use any form of plates, decorate these kind of stuff. The first, I show you the first one, and then the second one, we're gonna go ahead and decorate the plate. And what I was trying to do, I was trying to do some artwork. I was, trying to make a bird. So what you do is just basically drag the spoon with the sauce, and the sauce I'm using is apricot sauce. You can use any form of sauce. I make a cross, and basically I'm just gonna use this spoon and form, basically make it out like in a bird. So what I do, I use like you can use anything to do this. It's pretty easy and simple way how to get this done. So as you can see, you just use the skewer or whatever you have. And what I was trying to do is just basically just make a art in the plate to make it look very unique. So basically that's the stick, as you can see, and that's the bird right there. So I was trying to make the the mouth, and then I do some creative things. It's a very unique thing when you have a sauce on a plate. You can create it the way that you want, what I mean, or the way that you think it's look nice. As again, when you're using white plate, you can use anything, and make it very nice. As you can see it, stretch it down and make like the little feet down there. And it's not the most amazing thing, but I just think it looked pretty cool. Fast and easy way how to get it done. So what I have right here is the raspberry sauce, and you just use the raspberry sauce for the eye, and to make it kind of look a little bit elegant, and pop a little bit. So as you can see, I create the eyes, and it look okay, but I'm still going. So what you do is the cake, I have it, put it in the freezer, and so it's all set up, and I pop them out of the mold. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how you can do this pistachio cake in a lot of, because this is a pistachio mousse. So you can do it in a lot of different ways, what I mean, plate it up in a lot of different ways. So as you can see, I have basically the sauce. You can use it to create all your unique design. You can use it to make a heart or whatever stuff you may like, and then as you can see, I top it off with some chocolate ganache on top. You can use white chocolate ganache if you prefer, but I just prefer to use this dark chocolate ganache because it's kind of, make it pop a little bit. And you can decorate this kind of cake any different way you want. And I'm topping it off with some shiny chocolate sauce around the plate, make it look nice and elegant. Also, you know, a couple dots around, and it will look very, very nice. And you can also, pull those dots around to make it look unique, and you know, you know, very creative. You can get very creative if you prefer. And there you see it. It's not bad at all, and it's getting there. So it's a very nice, unique, and amazing way how you can create these kind of dome cake in a lot of different ways. And if you watch out the video, I have some extra different types that I made, um, and it's very sleek. And I think it's, you just have to put the final touch on it. You can spray, use a cocoa spray, which is edible, and you can put a cake underneath the bottom of this if you like, and also you can put any form of um, cake that you will, like for this showpiece. I have just a little sprinkle around, a little touch of dehydrated strawberry. Just, put a little around it. You can use this cake for any celebrity function, or you can VIP function, birthdays, and special, um, whatever you prefer. Um, as you can see, those little dehydrated crunchy look very nice and sleek on the top. I top it off with some pixie dust just to put a little sheen into it. This cake normally I spray with a cocoa butter spray, but for today I'm just gonna you know top it off with, as you can see, that's chocolate mousse. I put it like in a little small dome. I just you just kind of like put a little push a little on the French tip, and then let it make a little kiss on there. So as you can see, the plate is coming together. Top it off with some little small flowers that I have in my garden, and as you can see, the plate is getting a little bit more full. And as again, if you watch all my dessert channel, you will see a lot of different ways that you can decorate and learn from these ways that execute these desserts. These are very special birthday amenity. If you give anyone this kind of dessert, they're gonna feel happy about it. I guarantee you that. Whether birthday or this is a different kind of creation that you know um, you can't find this in the store. And again, you can do a lot of different rounds cake, look like a donut. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and coming back with more video, and please share, and I'm looking forward to putting out more. Thank you. All right, peace.